Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, by the way. I feel like I didn't really get to say Happy New Year's in any of the previous videos leading up to the New Year. So, Happy New Year to you guys. Today, we are going to try to install a couple parts with chopsticks. I don't know why, I just wanted to see if I could tackle it. These are gonna be very easy parts to install, so hopefully they can be done with chopsticks. But I don't know if you guys remember the air to oil separator I installed. This is it right here. I don't know if you guys can really see the oil level went up. So ever since I installed this, I probably have driven about almost 2,000 miles, maybe like 1,500. So I want to show you guys how much oil has been accumulated in this container. Check this out. It's a little bit hot because I just drove. I let it cool down for like 15 minutes, but I guess it's still a little too hot. So if you guys can see, this is how much oil has accumulated. It's up to here. Definitely accumulated a good amount of oil. So let's go ahead and dump this out. And there you have it. That is how much oil was in the air oil separator. And this is all the nasty oil that's going back into your engine. So keep that in mind. I definitely recommend investing in an oil catch can. Good as new. Now it can accumulate more oil. So now let's go ahead and get to the fun part. Installing parts with chopsticks. I don't know if you guys remember these chopsticks. These are from my unboxing video for my very first box from All Aspects. Huge shout out to them. The first thing we're gonna do is we're installing these new LEDs that I got for the turn signal. This is gonna be fun. All right, let's see if I can get this off. Woo. See if I can install this without dropping it. And I dropped it. All right, let's see if we can install this without dropping it. All right, so we got it plugged in. Let's go ahead and see if these LEDs work. Hell yeah, it works. So hyped. I honestly thought it was gonna hyperblink and it wasn't gonna work, but we got it to work. I went ahead and got red, even though that's so illegal, but I already have a lot of red everywhere else. It's pretty sick though. Guys, next thing we are going to install are these IGADM toy LED reverse lights. I know a lot of you guys commented on the last video, and one of my reverse lights has been out for, honestly, ever since I started this YouTube channel. So it's been out for about a year. Finally went ahead and got some. Not because you guys harassed me. I already had these on the way. I just never got around to installing them until now. But these are super bright white LEDs, and these are gonna blind the fuck out of people. I really want that because I'm not a huge fan of that like off-white, almost amber looking reverse light. So let's try to install these with chopsticks. Fuck, I lost my chopsticks. Let's fucking get it.
It's in. Oh my god, it's in.
All right, everybody, come on, let's go. McLovin!
Honestly pays off to be Asian. Do you guys see that? Bright AF. All right, guys, so we have installed car parts with chopsticks. What did you guys think of that? I could definitely try real car parts, more difficult parts in a sense. If you guys want to see it, let me know down in the comments below. I don't know how I would even go about it. I was originally thinking of just buying a cold air intake just to install with chopsticks to see if I could like tighten the nut and do everything, but that doesn't sound like fun. But anyways, we have one more thing to install, and I know for a fact I can't install this with chopsticks because yes, I have tried before I filmed this video, and it is a license plate frame. My buddy Scott actually got me this. It's from this company called nevercontent.jp, I think. Super sick. The license plate reads never content. So here it is. I'm sure a lot of you JDM fanboys have seen this before. I think it's super sick. I wanted it in oil slick so bad, but it was sold out. But my homie Scott was able to snag me one. So thank you so much, Scott. Can't wait to install this. I think it's gonna be sick because then my license plate is now going to read Jason is never content. Because I'm not. You know how it is, us car guys working on our cars. All these little dings and all the parts that we do want to get that we can't afford. We're just never going to be content with what we have, and we're always going to want to push to keep going even further with our build. So my original plan was to try to shave this down right here and try to make it into a Phillip head screwdriver, but I thought that would be a waste of chopsticks. And then I actually tried to jam it in here and see if it'll work. Nope, so we're gonna go ahead and just use a regular screwdriver. Damn. This license plate has been with me since I had my E90. It's honestly such a great license plate. So many people have asked me where I've gotten this. I actually got it from Scott. So thank you again, Scott, for getting me the new license plate. I think it's a tradition. He's always gonna get me a new license plate. But if you guys want, let me know. I'll go ahead and actually, I might even do a giveaway. Not only with this, but I'm gonna include this in a giveaway. We might be doing a giveaway soon with Smellables. If you guys haven't checked out Smellables, go ahead and check him out in the link in the description below. I'll also leave their Instagram right here. They make the sickest air fresheners, and I've been saying this for the last month, but 2020 is gonna be our year. It's gonna be everyone's year, not just mine, not just yours, everyone. They're gonna do so much shit, so go ahead and please follow them. We're gonna do a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna come soon, and it's gonna be some good prizes. I'm gonna put some cool stuff in there, so stay tuned. All right, so let's get back to this. Oh yeah, what do you guys think? Ching chong ching. Jason is never content. I'm just gonna say Jason is an ass eater. Damn, what do you guys think? JDM AF. Whew. It's a little too shiny for me, but whatever. Pretty sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed those installs. I know they're not too crazy, but the build will get a little bit better as the year progresses. I think right now what I'm gonna do is just clean the car. I haven't washed it in a while. And we're gonna head over to All Aspects, talk a little bit more about the brand, and place some orders for some things. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for being patient. 2020 is gonna be the year for mental. We are gonna get there. But we're gonna head over to All Aspects, and then we are probably gonna go to Pasadena and eat at one of our favorite hot pot places. And if you guys want, I'll take you along. And you guys can go ahead and try this for yourself because it is probably my favorite spot. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Ooh, the boiling point. This is our favorite hot pot spot. It is so good. Look at this. Oh. It's been a while. Yeah, we really haven't been here in a while, yeah. I never get parking this close. Oh my god. But if you guys are out here in Pasadena, you should check this place out. You will love it. Get the Angus beef. The best one here. Alright guys, made it to favorite spot. Look at these reverse lights. Holy shit, these are bright as hell. Oh! I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Felt like a really long day, nothing too eventful. I just really wanted to get around to switching my bulbs and my license plate. The front one, the company sent me one wrong bulb, so I went ahead and emailed them. Hopefully they send me another one, we'll see. But the reverse lights are insane, they're so bright. I'm so happy I finally got around to switching them out. And it was funny because I'd already had the part and I was gonna wait for another video to swap them out, but you guys already went ahead and were like, dude, do you know your reverse light's out? Do you know your reverse light's out? Bro, have you seen a reverse light? And I'm just like, ugh. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This new year is going to be a long one and I'm super excited for it and we're gonna get this shit going. With that being said, I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your new year. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Smokey, say hi. Oh, later.
Monkey.